I got broads in Atlanta, just at the lean the family. Credit cards in the scammers, hitting the licks in the van. Legacies, family, wait and see, look like a panda.
Hello friends, today we learn about C++. It's my second tutorial about C++, and today we will learn about the basic code block of the C++ and its structure. So let's open Visual Studio. I have the latest version. So click on File, New, and Project. Select empty file, and here we can name the project. Suppose I write is C++. You can write here anything, and then we have to select the destination. I already have select here, so let me select again. Okay, I select it as desktop. Okay, going to select, and then okay. It's creating a new project named as C++. So now we have to right click on source files, add new item, C++ file.cpp. It is already named as source.cpp, so let it remain same. Click on add. So here in this portion we have to write the program. So let me write hash include IOStream using namespace std and int main and these brackets. So whatever the program that we will type, that will be typed in these two brackets. This is starting bracket and this is closing bracket. So the whole piece of program will be written in this place. Okay, so here in the starting we have written is hash include IOStream. I and O stand for input and output stream. This allows us to give an input and to take an output from the console. And using namespace std contains the cout and cin that I will tell you in this tutorial. Okay, so let's start. So suppose I want to display, today we will display hello world on the screen. So for that we have to type cout. Cout stands for console output. Console that we open as cmd, command prompt. This is called as console. Okay, so cout and two brackets. So here we write as hello world. Hello world. In last we have to give here a semicolon, and we have to write here return 0, and I will tell you why we write this. RETURN, return 0. So after that we have to click on local Windows debugger. Okay, so after the hello world, after this console output, we have to write here system pause. That will let the screen remain until we click any button. PAUSE, pause. So let's compile it again. In spite clicking on debug, this local Windows debugger, you can also click. You can also press Ctrl Shift and B. After that, press F5. Here you can see it's written hello world but you can see there is no space between these hello world and press any key. So for that, we suppose we want this press any key continue sentence below the hello world. So for that, before the semicolon, here we give two less than symbols and we write end line, that stands for end of line, end L. So let's see, does it work? Here you see the press any key sentence is written below the hello world due to the end line, that stands for end of line, end L. And this was all about today's tutorial. So keep on watching my channel to learn C++ efficiently, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.